you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Renegade 80th Edition in Jet Set Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7203.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.